Technical terms. Definitions. Background. The surface to which the first coat of plaster is applied. Dubbing out. This is the process of filling the voids, cracks or hollow spaces present in the solid wall before applying the plaster. Dado. It is the lower part of the plastered wall, up to 1.5 meter above floor, which is made more resistant than the upper part to protect it from the effects of water used in floor washing, dust, dirt, damage to walls due to furniture movement, etc. Gauging. The mixing of various constituents of plaster in proper proportion. Hacking. Process of roughing out solid background to provide suitable mechanical bond. Keys. These are the indentation or corrugation on the surface of undercoat or background on which the plaster is applied to form a mechanical bond with the surface. Layitance. The thin layer of cement which forms a sheen over the freshly laid concrete when subjected to excessive toweling. Scratch coat. A rough coating of plaster applied before it is quite dry to ensure the adherence of the next coat. The thickness of this coat should be approximately 10 mm to 12.5 mm. Before the scratch coat hardens, it should be deeply scratched to provide a good mechanical key for base coat. Base coat. In case of thick plaster, the first coating to provide a good foundation for the plaster. This coat is about 10 mm thick depending upon the overall thickness and then roughened with a wooden float to provide bond for the finished coat. It's also known as the undercoat. Finish coat. After base coat is dried, final coat of plaster is applied to give it a finishing touch. Joints should be avoided and the finishing coat that should be applied in one operation with thickness not exceeding 6 mm.